Tesla sold nearly 18,000 Model 3 S's last month. That's the highest ever for sales of a single plug-in electric car in any month. The Tesla Model S and then the X SUV, the crossover, came in at number 2 and number 3 for August EV sales. But quite frankly, that's just one survey. Is there a better way to eyeball not just the Tesla sales story, but the real sales picture for other publicly traded companies as well? Let's bring in Alex Diamond. He is the Vice President of Products at RS Metrics. This is a very unique company that uses satellite imagery and drones and manned aircraft to track companies for businesses and investors. Alex, before we get to what you saw by hovering over Tesla last month, explain how you guys do what you do.
Sure, Liz. So we're a data company, and we partner with some of the leading satellite imagery companies around the globe, some aerial providers. We even use drones and other geospatial data. And we basically package that all together and try to get an edge and add some transparency to the financial markets through some of the products that we create. Well,
it would make sense to get eyewitness, I guess, views of everything without, I guess, theoretically trespassing. So let's get to Tesla. Let's put up the images your company got. Explain what we're looking at here. We have a series of images. First, how did you get this image, and what do we infer from it taken August 2nd of this year?
Sure, Liz. So this is an image of Tesla's South Logistics lot. This is where all the Model 3s and Model S and X go to get shipped off on trucks to either to customers or other distribution facilities. And so we used a fixed-wing aircraft, a manned fixed-wing aircraft, not a drone, to collect those images.
Okay.
And it offers us a great resolution and really some insight into what's happening on the ground.
Well, it looks pretty packed here.
Yeah, it's pretty packed. I think there's about 600 cars in that image, and there's usually about an equal amount in the back lots as well. So if they were shipping that many out every day, I think they would be well ahead and really comfortably hitting their production targets and their guidance for the third quarter.
Well, that's invaluable information, especially for institutional or any investor, quite frankly. And now let's flip over to other images that you saw. This is, what, a few days or a week later?
Yeah, that's actually, I believe, at the end of August.
Okay.
And so the number there is a little bit less. Maybe there's about 300 cars in that picture. And so we're just capturing static pictures. We're not seeing the full throughput, but we can sort of use it as a sample and get a sense for how production is going. And it just looks pretty choppy overall. It looks like it's still a bit of a struggle for them.
Okay. And how often do you send people up to look at these images, to get these images?
So we are doing that 4 times a week, and we might even be doing it more frequently. So they're really ramping up. They went to 24/7 operations earlier this year, and so things are just kind of being produced and shipped out all the time. And so we've got to get frequent samples to really see what's going on.
Okay, and I just want to quickly ask you before we go, you do this for other industries as well, right? Retail, I would imagine that parking lots during Black Friday, you're able to really glean some on-the-ground information about what's happening.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, we look at thousands and thousands of parking lots on a daily basis, just basically surveying the number of cars, and those usually equate to the number of transactions inside the store. So retail has been doing pretty well. Of course, there's some bright spots and some low spots, but I think back to school so far looks good.
Oh, that's invaluable information. Good to see you, Alex. Thank you. You and the RS Metrics gang are doing some interesting stuff. Thank you so much. Alex Diamond.